In this video, we listed the 5 best beard trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Panasonic Men's Beard Trimmer. The Panasonic Beard and Mustache Trimmer is designed for precision grooming with its durable 45-degree stainless steel blades, ideal for efficiently cutting beard, mustache, and hair. It offers 19 adjustable settings via a trimmer dial for personalized sculpting and detailing. The trimmer features an ergonomic design with a rubberized grip for comfort and control, and it can be cleaned quickly under running water. Operating cordlessly with a NiMH battery, it provides up to 50 minutes of use and includes a cleaning brush and AC charging stand, making it convenient for travel. The trimmer also includes a low battery indicator for added convenience. Number 2. Remington HC5855 Beard Trimmer. The Remington Virtually Indestructible Beard Trimmer in yellow is a comprehensive grooming solution designed for versatile use across all hair types. This 15-piece set includes length-adjusting combs, a beard brush, styling comb, and blade oil, all conveniently stored in a soft pouch for portability. Featuring Remington's PowerCut blade system, it ensures a smooth, snag-free trim by maintaining blade alignment. The trimmer boasts a super magnet motor for powerful performance, delivering 2x faster cutting than leading corded clippers. Precision ground blades effortlessly handle thick hair, while the removable blade system allows for easy cleaning under running water, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Number 3. Philips Series 7200 Trimmer. The Philips Beard Trimmer, weighing 0.35 pounds and featuring a sleek black design, is equipped with an integrated vacuum system that efficiently captures up to 90% of cut hair, minimizing mess. Powered by a high-velocity motor and fan, it utilizes strong suction to lift and capture hairs effectively. The trimmer employs innovative lift and trim technology to guide hairs for a precise cut, complemented by self-sharpening steel blades that prevent skin irritation and ensure durability. Offering 20 built-in length settings ranging from 0.5 mm to 10 mm, it allows for versatile trimming options with a simple adjustment of the zoom wheel. The trimmer runs on an advanced lithium-ion battery, providing 80 minutes of cordless use after a 1-hour charge, and can also be used while plugged in for continuous trimming. With its stainless steel blade construction, the Philips trimmer promises efficient, high-performance beard maintenance tailored to various hair types. Number 4. Philips Series 5100 Trimmer. The Philips Beard Trimmer Series 5100 is a versatile grooming tool designed primarily for trimming beards but is also effective for cutting hair of all types. Featuring a dynamic beard guide system, it efficiently lifts and guides hair for a smooth and even trim, minimizing skin irritation with its self-sharpening steel blades. The trimmer offers 17 precision length settings ranging from 1/64 inch, 0.4 mm, to half an inch, 13 mm, adjustable via a convenient zoom wheel. It boasts a long-lasting lithium-ion battery that provides up to 70 minutes of runtime on a 1-hour charge, and it is fully washable, ensuring easy and thorough cleaning after use. Ideal for those looking to maintain precise grooming standards with one tool for both facial and head hair trimming. Number 5. Wahl USA StainlessTrimmer. The Wahl Beard Trimmer is a versatile grooming tool designed for comprehensive facial hair maintenance. It features 3 multi-purpose attachments: a T-blade for various beard styles and haircuts, a rotary personal trimmer for ear and nose areas, and a detail trimmer for intricate detailing. The trimmer boasts self-sharpening precision blades suitable for all hair types and lengths, ensuring long-lasting performance. It operates cordlessly with a lithium-ion battery, offering up to 3.5 hours of runtime on a full charge and a quick 1-minute charge for emergency use. The interchangeable trimmer heads cater to different grooming needs, including beard trimming, hair touch-ups, and precise detailing. Additionally, it comes with 9 guide combs for a range of cutting lengths, making it an ideal gift for men seeking quality grooming tools.